LG Oven F9 Error Code 2025 is a fault code that appears on the display of your LG oven when a specific issue occurs. This code is related to the oven's temperature sensor, which is a critical component responsible for monitoring and controlling the oven's temperature. To understand the F9 Error Code 2025, you need to know how the temperature sensor works. The temperature sensor is a thermistor that measures the oven's temperature and sends the data to the oven's control board. If the control board detects any abnormal readings from the temperature sensor, it will display the F9 Error Code 2025. The possible causes of the F9 Error Code 2025 are faulty temperature sensor, loose or damaged wiring, and control board malfunction. To troubleshoot this error, start by checking the temperature sensor and its wiring for any signs of damage or wear. If the sensor or wiring is damaged, you may need to replace it. Another possible cause is a malfunctioning control board. In this case, you may need to reset the control board or replace it if the issue persists. It is also important to check the oven's user manual or manufacturer's website for specific instructions on how to troubleshoot and repair the F9 Error Code 2025. To prevent the F9 Error Code 2025 from occurring in the future, make sure to regularly clean and maintain your oven. Check the temperature sensor and wiring for any signs of damage, and avoid overheating the oven. By following these steps and best practices, you can resolve the F9 Error Code 2025 and ensure your LG oven continues to function properly. It is recommended to consult a professional if you are not comfortable with DIY repairs or if the issue persists after trying the troubleshooting steps. Remember to always follow safety precautions when working with electrical appliances to avoid any injuries or damage.